Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to order items on Target. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in target.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Target website. Now if you haven't logged into your account already, click on the sign in button at the top right corner and proceed forward with your email address and your password. Once you are logged in and taken into the homepage, you can simply look for the various items that are available on the Target website. You can use the search bar as well if you're looking for any specific items. When you find something that you are interested in, you can click on the Add to Cart button. You can choose your delivery method and then click on the Add to Cart button. And when you check in within your cart, by clicking on the cart option, after you have added all of the items that you wish to buy, you can click on the Checkout button and also use a promo code if you have one. Once you click on Checkout, you will be asked to proceed forward with your payment information. Enter your name and your email address and type it in once again for confirmation. Then enter the delivery date and click on the Save and Continue button. Finally proceed with your payment information, and once you complete your payment, your item will be delivered to you within the mentioned date. And there you have it. That is how you can order items from Target. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.